way to the bus for an 8-hour trip to Dalat. You okay? Half an hour to go. Go now? You sure?
Go this way.
Blimey.
How you doing?
Gorgeous place this is. Wonky tree though. The size of those prawns. He's met breeding. I don't know where we're going. Just don't spoil the story. They look amazing.
That is condensed milk, even more sweet than better.
More sweet.
Yes.
Okay. He's waiting to see the reaction.
Wow, look at that. Mmm.
You right?
I'm not going, you're going. I'm not going across there. It's to collect the laundry. I've decided not to go over there. Way too dangerous. I mean, it's not even a proper ladder, it's a step ladder with a couple of bits of, I don't know. There you go, let me help you. Right, where we going?
Parrot.
Call me a carrot because I'm scared. I can't get closer, it's scary. Get off, don't push me. Oh yeah, right. It's crazy.
That's one with the tree hound number 2. If you're going up, you will walk on the roof of a house. After the house, it's like the mountain area.
It's a strange shaped bed, isn't it?
Yeah, there's another bed there.
Oh yeah. Have you seen a tiger?
I have seen the tiger.
Can we get to the gardens going the other way?
I'm sure you can.
Should we try? Well, it's not too bad up there. Okay, you go first. We're going now? Where are we going now? We're not going up that, are we? Yeah, too right. They should have told me that as I was getting on the other side. That is really weird. Everything here is really weird. Let's go. It's a giraffe. Be careful not to. Be careful there.
No, I think just be careful.
Yes, yeah, boy. Yeah.
It's really nice as a pink variety.
Oh, really? What's it like up there?
Hi.
What's it like up there, Nick? It's bad. Which one again?
You're going that way. Your pulse isn't foreign.
I get that, but my heartbeat is 122. Oh, right. It's not really an aquarium, is it? Where are we going now? Wow, that's a real fish. I don't know you get a fish like that. Look at that. That's going to be alright, isn't it?
Okay, let's go.